In front of me is CUBOT KingKong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then tap on face unlock and enter your screen lock. Following that, choose more at the bottom right corner or scroll all the way down and hit I agree. After tapping on start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!